Today, I'm going to tell you about my latest undervalued high yield dividend stock with a dividend yield of 11% and the potential that the shares are 45% undervalued. This might just be the best way for long term dividend investors to invest in. Before we get started, please consider giving this video a thumbs up if you get value out of our content. Oceana Gold Philippines Incorporated with ticker OGP is a top-performing non-blue chip stock in the Philippines Stock Exchange. It features an attractive dividend yield, a strong global presence as a large gold and copper producer, and has shown high market momentum. In this video, I'm giving you 7 undeniable reasons why Oceana Gold is one of the single best stocks you can add to your portfolio today. Let's start with the big macro picture. Reason number one is the global gold windfall. We live in uncertain economic times. Inflation, currency fluctuations, and global geopolitical tensions are driving central banks and institutional investors worldwide to pile into safe haven assets. Because of this, gold prices have been breaking records left and right. Here's the secret in investing in mining stocks. You don't just buy the commodity, you buy the companies that pull it out of the ground. Oceana Gold operates the world-class DDPDO mine in Nueva Vizcaya. They are not just selling gold at high prices. They're operating at an absolute peak environment where every ounce they mine is generating record-breaking profit margins. If you want pure play to benefit from a global gold rush right here in the Philippines, OGP is your vehicle. Oceana Gold Philippines revenue and profit are in upward trend on gold rally. Excited but grounded in financial reality. That brings us directly to reason number two, their mind-blowing operational growth. A lot of people think mining is speculative, but the financial statements don't lie. 2023 represented a strong recovery year from the pandemic. The DDPU mine benefited from the stable production and favorable gold prices while keeping costs under control. 2024 was an exceptional year. Revenue increased dramatically due to high gold prices, stronger copper prices, and higher production volumes. Net income expanded much faster than revenue because mining companies experience significant operating leverage. Once fixed costs are covered, additional production flows heavily into profit. 2025 became another record-breaking year. The company generated record free cash flow while maintaining healthy production levels. Management continued rewarding shareholders through multiple dividend declarations. The company's profitability remains among the strongest in the Philippine mining sector. Now, let's talk about my personal favorite and reason number three, the monster dividend yield. Right now, OGP is sporting a dividend yield of approximately 11%. Just to put that in perspective, if you put money into a traditional blue chip or a standard bank high yield savings account, you might get 3% to 5%. OGP is paying double, sometimes triple that. Reason number four is unique institutional advantage. Their strong partnership with Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. In the mining industry, local regulations on where you sell your gold matter immensely. Oceana Gold has a rock-solid relationship with our central bank. In fact, BSP has been actively boosting its national gold reserves, and headlines recently confirmed that Oceana Gold Philippines actually exceeded its commitment to sell gold directly to BSP. Let's talk valuation because as investors, we never want to buy at the absolute top. That brings us to reason number five. OGP is fundamentally undervalued with a massive price target upside. Right now, the stock is trading comfortably around the 30 pesos to 32 pesos level, down slightly from its all-time high of 40.50 pesos earlier this year. If you look at institutional analyst consensus forecast on platforms like TradingView or Investing.com Philippines, Wall Street and local analysts have an average 12-month price target for OGP at around 44 to 46 pesos. That represents a massive 40% to 50% capital appreciation upside from where it sits today, completely independent of that 11% dividend yield we just talked about. You are essentially buying a high growth asset at a discount price. Reason number six, global corporate governance and world-class standards. OceanaGold Philippines is not just a small, isolated local mining corporation. It is backed by powerhouse global parent company, OceanaGold Corporation, which operates premier mines in the United States and New Zealand. Finally, with reason number seven, their bulletproof ESG approach and local social investments. In mining, the biggest risk is often social and regulatory friction. If local communities are not happy, operations get disrupted. OceanaGold has mastered this. Following their stellar performance, they have aggressively scaled up their local community investments to a massive 569 million pesos. So let's tie it all together. You have a stock backed by record gold prices, a fourfold jump in net profits, a massive 11% dividend yield, strong backing from the central bank, a 45% analyst upside potential, world-class NYSE level governance, and exceptional local community integration. When you look beyond the standard blue chips on the Philippine Stock Exchange, OceanaGold Philippines stands out as an absolute powerhouse for both passive income and capital growth. But always remember that mining stocks carry higher volatility than utility or consumer stocks. Make sure it fits your risk profile, do your own due diligence, and never invest money you cannot afford to lose. Now, I want to hear from you. Are you holding OGP stock in your portfolio right now, or are you planning to buy the dip? Let me know in the comment section below. If you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your fellow investors, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button with notifications turned on so you never miss another market update. Thanks for watching. Stay smart with your money, and I'll see you all in the next video.